Hey guys, check out this 2-in-1 flosser and toothbrush. This is the set right here. It has a 350 milliliter tank. Comes with the power adapter. Basically creates a wireless charging port right here. So even if you have the flosser disconnected, you don't have to connect it every time. As soon as you put this down, it starts charging your toothbrush. Take a look at the toothbrush itself. Looks pretty cool. 5 toothbrush attachments. Each one is color coded. There's 2 here, and 2 are stored inside of this lid. To turn it on, you would just press once, and you can change 5 modes: cleaning teeth, whitening, polishing, massage, and for sensitive teeth right here. So what you would do is turn it on and then press and hold to change to a different setting. And then when you turn it off, next time you use it and you turn it on, it'll go to the last setting. This shows the battery charge level, and this is the floss button. To use that, just connect the tubing. The flossing nozzle is located within the toothbrush, and as soon as you press it, you'll see a very good nozzle spray there. There you go. Also, the floss has 3 flossing speeds, so if you just press and hold the floss button, it'll select which one you want. Toothbrush has genuine DuPont bristles and is waterproof. Also, it is portable. You can take it when you're traveling. Flossing function now. The flosser is very gentle on your teeth, yet it cleans out, flosses out your teeth very well. I really like this whole setup right here. Very easy to use. The charger is awesome. And then the other thing that I forgot to mention, it has suction feet over here. So your product is on your countertop and very safe. It doesn't just fly over because it's very stable with the suction cups on the bottom.